industrial ceiling fan in white finish that I got at the Habitat Restore. It's from the mid-90s, and I'm going to turn it on for you. And I'm going to start with the very lowest speed. Now it's on a 5-speed control, so it's going to go pretty slow and low. And this is a reversible model, but I'm running it in forward direction. Has a very nice low to it. I like it a lot. Right? Now I'm going to go to the next speed. Just going to go a little bit faster. As you can hear, it's very noisy because it's a well-used fan. It also has some vibration issues. Alright, now for the next speed. It's going to start going a bit faster. Alright. Speed. Now for the highest speed, which is going to probably be around 300 RPMs. This thing can go extremely fast, and it's extremely powerful. Okay, I'm going to turn it off, because it's shaking a lot. Yeah, this thing's like a tornado. And as you can hear, the bearings aren't really the best, because have quite a loud noise to them. Although the slowdown time is surprisingly good. And this fan is also available in a 48-inch model and also a 36-inch model. And I think maybe even a 60-inch model, but I don't know. And there's two versions of the fan. There's the extra heavy duty and the regular one. I have the regular one. And this fan can be used for many different applications, like agricultural, warehouses, stores, really anything that requires air circulation. And this is really not something you'd find in household applications, because as you saw, it's extremely powerful. And it's not something you want to put in a house. Anyway, now I'm going to talk about just my opinion on the fan. I would have to give it a ranking of 4 out of 5 stars. I really like these Canarm Industrials. They're really cool. Except this one is pretty noisy, pretty well used, and not in the best of shape. It's not really beat up, but the blades are kind of scratched, and paint is peeling in a few places. But, you know, other than that, it's a really good ceiling fan, and I like it a lot. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and more to come.